Ever wondered how to start selling on eBay? Well, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into a fantastic guide titled, How to Sell on eBay for Beginners, eBay Selling Secrets for Easy Online Sales. This book is a treasure trove of knowledge, brimming with practical strategies for those who are new to the eBay selling game. From understanding the basics to managing customer feedback, it's all covered. So if you're a novice looking to venture into the eBay marketplace, this book might be just what you need. Starting with the basics is always the key to mastering any skill. And when it comes to eBay selling, the book, How to Sell on eBay for Beginners, does precisely that. It lays down a solid foundation by guiding you through the process of setting up your eBay account, a crucial first step in your online selling journey. But it doesn't stop there. The book also helps you understand the eBay interface, a virtual storefront that can seem overwhelming at first, but becomes your best friend once you get the hang of it. And of course, we cannot overlook the rules and regulations of the platform. Selling on eBay is like playing a game. You need to know the rules to play well. This book deciphers eBay's policies, helping you navigate through the do's and don'ts of the platform. So in essence, How to Sell on eBay for Beginners paves your way to becoming an effective eBay seller right from the get-go. Selling online is all about presentation. And this is the mantra that is echoed throughout the third chapter of the book, which focuses on creating effective product listings. It's not just about putting your product out there, it's about showcasing it in the best possible light. The book offers valuable advice on how to take high-quality photos that highlight the features of your product. It also provides tips on writing compelling descriptions that not only inform potential buyers about the product's specifications but also entice them with the benefits they stand to gain. But what's a good listing without visibility? The author emphasizes the importance of using optimal keywords to improve search engine optimization. This ensures that your product appears in relevant searches, increasing its visibility to potential buyers. This chapter is your guide to transforming your product listings from ordinary to eye-catching. With this book, you'll learn how to make your product stand out from the crowd. Price right and treat your customers well. This simple yet powerful statement from the book encapsulates the essence of effective pricing strategies and customer management on eBay. Crafting the perfect pricing strategy is an art. It's about striking a balance between attracting buyers with competitive prices and ensuring a healthy profit margin for your business. The author advises beginners to research the market, understand what the competition is offering, and price accordingly. Now let's talk about customer management. It's not just about making a sale, it's about building relationships. Responding promptly to customer inquiries, addressing their concerns, and appreciating their feedback are crucial in building a positive seller reputation. Remember, a happy customer is a repeat customer. The author emphasizes that good customer service can set you apart in the competitive world of eBay selling. It's all about going that extra mile to make your customers feel valued and appreciated. This book equips you with the skills to attract and retain happy customers. There's a world beyond eBay waiting for you. A key gem from the book, How to Sell on eBay for Beginners, is its emphasis on expanding your online selling horizons. The author encourages you to not limit your online business to eBay alone. With a plethora of other online marketplaces, each with its unique customer base and selling dynamics, why not explore and conquer? Amazon, Etsy, Bonanza, and countless others offer opportunities to diversify your sales and reach a wider audience. The book also delves into strategies to grow your e-commerce business. It's not just about selling on different platforms but also about optimizing your operations, improving customer relations, and leveraging digital marketing techniques. The author shares valuable insights on how to effectively manage and scale your business in the increasingly competitive online marketplace. In essence, How to Sell on eBay for Beginners is not just a guide to eBay selling, it's a comprehensive blueprint for online business success. This book is your stepping stone to broader horizons in online selling. Ready to embark on your eBay selling journey? We've explored the fundamentals of eBay selling, from understanding the basics, creating effective product listings, to pricing strategies and customer management. The book even guides you on expanding beyond eBay. All these insights are packed in How to Sell on eBay for Beginners, eBay Selling Secrets for Easy Online Sales. So, why wait? Dive into this treasure trove of knowledge and kickstart your successful online selling journey. Grab a copy of How to Sell on eBay for Beginners and kickstart your successful online selling journey today. Thanks for watching.